Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to cook fried rice. Please check out the description box for the various ingredients used, and in this video I'll simply be explaining the method. So to begin, we are going to stir fry our rice for 15 minutes. And how do you comment? You're going to add some cooking oil to a pot, let it get hot, and then proceed to stir fry your rice. Add your rice and stir fry it. Now, while stir frying your rice, you have to understand that the heat underneath the pot does not have to be high, else it is going to burn this rice. So you're going to reduce the heat. If you're using a gas stand or a stove, place your heat on medium to low, and you're going to add some salt as you fry. However, there is another method. You can decide to add oil, add salt, and then stir fry your rice, but that's okay. For this next process, we are going to add our spices. Like I said, please check out the description box, I'll list them there. These spices helps to enhance the taste of the rice as well as brighten the color, else you might end up with plain white rice. So you're going to fry bit by bit while adding the spice. Like I always mention, make sure to add your ingredients or seasonings bit by bit, so at any given point you can adjust it. After frying our rice for 15 minutes, we are going to add our water. Now we are using clear water, and this is because we want to get the taste of the rice due to the salt which has been used to fry it for some time. So after getting the taste of the salt, we are going to proceed to add our mixed spices, which is green spices, ginger and garlic. Then proceed to add our chicken stock. Now for this chicken stock, you can decide to strain it or not. It all depends on you. So after adding our chicken stock, we are going to mix properly and adjust seasonings. Now while adjusting seasonings, we are equally going to add some water because the stock is not enough to cook this rice until ready. So after adjusting our seasonings, we are just going to check our fire now properly, because you see, cooking fried rice in particular, it has a lot to do with the heat under your pot. Sometimes people complain that, oh, my rice is not ready, it's half cooked, this side is not ready. I'll take you through it. So as you can see, we've adjusted the fire under the pot, leaving just charcoal just to heat up the rice, let it cook via steam. So after that, we are going to proceed to adjust our seasonings again and then add more water so that it cooks well. And if you noticed earlier on, the water added to the rice was just slightly above the rice. It was not too much. This will prevent you from ending up with soggy rice. So after adding water into this, we are going to spread the rice evenly and then cover the pot. Over to our garnishing, we'll be using green beans, and you know green beans is hard or harder than carrot. So we are going to boil water, add some salt, and then add our green beans. Steam it for 2 minutes before adding our carrots. So carrots takes a shorter time to actually soften. So you're just going to mix them together and then proceed to strain and run through cold water to prevent it from cooking any further. Over to our vermicelli, we are going to stir fry it in oil for some time until we get the color that we want. Some people use it like this, others use it dark brown, but we'll be settling for this color. It is kind of bright. So one trick, after you're done frying your vermicelli, make sure you continue to stir fry until it gets cold, even after turning off the heat, so it does not cook further. So our rice is ready, and we have proceeded to add our green peppers. Tip: when you want to buy green pepper from the market, please make sure to buy the larger ones. The very small ones are sometimes bitter. So after adding green pepper, we are going to proceed to add our vermicelli. And one of the reasons why we are adding vermicelli at this point is because it cooks with heat. It does not necessarily need to be in rice that is still to cook. It cooks with heat. So we are just adding it now because the pot is still on the fire and the heat will cook it. So after this, we are going to proceed to add our carrots and green beans. This is the star of the show. Unlike the last fried rice recipe, we actually fried our garnishing ingredients, but this time around we did not fry it together, so that's perfectly okay. One thing you should know about carrots and green beans is that you have to steam them so the color is not dull when you add it to food. Now proceed to mix properly till everything is evenly distributed. For our bonus tip, you can actually just add a stick of butter or half after this, or when it is cooked for more flavor. That's okay. And this is our rice. It is ready. It is very simple. Now my younger sister sells rice. If you are in Cameroon and you live in Boya, to be precise, hit me up if you need rice for your occasions. Perhaps you want to place a big command, a small command. Every command is appreciated. So if you want somebody to cook fried rice for you, my sister is available. She's reliant and she is extremely hardworking. She knows what to do, so I am definitely sure that she is going to deliver. Do not forget to hit me up. My younger sister sells the best fried rice in Boya, the southwest region of Cameroon, and that is on period. Thank you for watching.